how I generated an AI-powered summary of this YouTube video. Step by step, how I made $16.4 million so you can just copy me. Using Google's advanced artificial intelligence called Gemini. Here are my major steps. First, I used YouTubeTranscript.com to generate a transcript. I copied the transcript and put it into bard.google.com. Bard.google.com. Bard is powered by Google's artificial intelligence, Gemini. In Bard, I used the prompt, summarize the following transcript with numbered headers, bullet points, complete sentences in a professional style. And it generated a good summary of this YouTube video. In the description box below, I will put these web links, my prompt, as well as the summary that was generated by Google's Bard. In the rest of this video, I will go through the process step by step. So this is the video that I was interested in. 35 minutes long by William Brown, step by step, how I made a $16.4 million so that you can just copy me. So I copied the URL and I went to YouTubeTranscript.com. Paste the URL into this box here at the center and then click go. In the resulting page, you have the YouTube video and you have the transcript. In the bottom left corner, you can copy the entire transcript. Next, I went to Google Bard at bard.google.com. I started a new chat. In the prompt box, I typed in this prompt. Summarize the following transcript with numbered headers, bullet points, complete sentences in a professional style. This is the format that I like. I then paste in the transcript in that same prompt. I also made sure that the entire transcript was put in there. So going back to YouTubeTranscript.com, I see the last sentence is, I'll see you back here soon. It says here, I'll see you back here soon. So the entire transcript was in there. And after a few seconds, Google Bard gave me the response that I wanted. Summary of William Brown's online education journey. The headers are numbered, 1, 2, 3, and bullet points. So this is a 35-minute long video, and I was able to get a grasp of this video in seconds, and I was able to process it within about a minute. So basically what he did was William Brown made money trading in financial markets. He had a Word doc summarizing his trading strategies. People wanted copies of the document summarizing his trading strategies. They wanted personal coaching, so he created a business out of it. He sold the PDFs talking about his trading strategies and also coaching packages with tiers. He did YouTube ads, did sales and marketing, hired people, moved to Dubai, kept building it, and then eventually sold it out to a private equity firm. And he was able to exit the product. Now at the bottom, I gave it a thumbs up because this was an excellent response. You can modify the response, shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, more professional. You can share and export it to Docs or Gmail. You can double check the response, but this response was from one source. It was grounded in one source, and then you can copy it. So I'm going to put a copy of this this summary in the description box below my video. There's also the first time around it generated 3 different versions. I looked at all 3, but I like the first version. So I plan on watching this video, but with this outline in front of me. but at least I have a grasp of what's going on. It's basically about creating an educational product and then services around that educational product. His particular passion was trading on financial markets, trading strategies. Trading strategies was his topic, was his particular area of expertise. But okay, now as a final thing, let me show you actually me doing this here. Putting in the prompt. Here's the prompt box. Summarize the following transcript with numbered headers, bullet points, complete sentences in a professional style. Copy entire transcript. Paste it into the prompt box. See here that the last sentence is, "I'll see you back here soon." It corresponds with the transcript, so all of it's in there. Now there's a question. I did an experiment. The question is, how many words and characters can I put into a prompt box? It turns out for Google Bard, this was a recent test that I did. I put it in a large prompt, and I found that the Google Bard prompt box allowed me to put in 5,861 words, so over 5,800 words. And I was able to put in characters over 31,000, almost 32,000 characters. In comparison, Microsoft Bing Chat, in the prompt box, you can only put 4,000 characters. So the Google Bard prompt box allows approximately 8 times larger inputs. So 32,000 characters, which accepts most YouTube transcripts. So this is something to keep in mind, about 30,000 in the prompt box. So going back here, so we have the action as well as the text. Then you can press enter or click submit. Give it a few seconds to process. View other drafts. This is the one I like, numbered headers. Sometimes the answers are not exactly the same. So if you're like me and watch a lot of educational and informational videos on YouTube, frequently they can run over 10 minutes, 30 minutes or longer. This is a good way to get a grasp of the videos, to triage whether you're going to even watch the videos. Some of the videos you may not watch. Some of the videos, the summary is adequate, so you're saving. I personally have saved hours because I watch a lot of educational videos. Or if there's a certain part that you want to focus in on, that's what you would focus in on. Like for me, I'm interested in his actual product, so I would focus on the his first the beginnings of his PDF talking about trading strategies.